Well, it's one of those days you just don't want to face west with all those mouthfuls of dust and sand. It's going to be even worse tomorrow. This is looking north along 13th Street now, and you can see just a little bit of high cloud here and there, but it's not really too windy right now. It will be getting windier tomorrow as we see a warm sector going on by. Right now we have 6 degrees southwest winds at 50, gusting to around 70 kilometers per hour. Humidity is comfortable, as you can see, at 42%. And around southern Alberta, most areas well above, these temperatures are all from 5 to closer to 10 degrees above average. The only place you don't see them that far above average is in the mountains, 0 in Banff and 0 in Golden, and that's because they have thermal inversions and more cloud around. But on the plains areas with the west winds, we see temperatures well above average. Here's the last few hours on our satellite picture, and you can see that there's some high and middle cloud. Looks more or less like it's moving from northwest to southeast. In effect, it's actually moving from west to east, but the elements in it are sort of moving in that direction. We'll see some of that cloud again overnight tonight. On the radar, nothing much to point out because, well, the air is quite dry and there's really not any low cloud around. Now, if we look at the forecaster, you can see there will be some rain mixed with snow in the mountains to the west of us and west of the Crow's Nest Pass. Around midnight, wants to bring in the chance of some showers along Highway 4 south east of Lethbridge, and that's debatable. I don't know if we're going to see that. Then later, it does want to bring in some rain for areas along Highway 3 east towards Medicine Hat and some snow up around Hannah. Now that's more likely, so if you're heading to the east, beware there could be some rain along the highway to the east of us and even snow up to the northeast, but Lethbridge should stay dry. And then you can see that as things go on, it continues dry here with some rain or rain mixed with snow in the mountains west of Banff. So here's the way things look across Canada. We've got -4 in St. John's, 2 in Halifax, 4 in Moncton, 2 in Montreal, 0 in Ottawa and Toronto, and it's 0 as well in Windsor. Across Western Canada, except for Winnipeg, where it's -15, temperatures above average, -3 in Regina, 0 in Saskatoon and Edmonton, 2 in Kelowna, 7 degrees in Vancouver, and across the north, we've got temperatures fairly mild in Whitehorse, about seasonal in Yellowknife, and chilly, as you can see, in Inuvik. So here's our forecast for the next 24 hours. If you're heading to the west, the Kootenay areas will see some showers, temperatures above 0, winds out of the south at 30 kilometers per hour. Once you get into the area where the wind warning is in effect, you can expect variable clouds, temperature rising to 7 tomorrow morning in the Crow's Nest Pass and 10 degrees for the afternoon. Look for temperatures in Medicine Hat, 0 tomorrow morning, up to 12 in the afternoon, but you'll also see a blustery west wind for the areas around Lethbridge. Here, we're going to go with a low. Well, that actually is a temperature steady right through the night to 8 degrees. We'll see a high tomorrow of 10, but once again, wind warning in effect, temperature at 10 with winds gusting to 100 kilometers per hour. They will die down later in the day. So let's take a look at our 5-day forecast, and it shows the mild temperatures continuing through Thursday into Friday. The winds do start to die down towards the end of the week, but notice on the weekend we start to see temperatures getting a little closer to average with highs just above the melting point, but it does stay dry through the period with the exception of that chance of rain for Medicine Hat.